Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to transfer airtime from one MTN number to the other. So if you are thinking of transferring airtime from one MTN number to the other, then this video is for you. And you are at the right place. Yeah. We are Michi. Say obi kwa kuwi obi credit pen. Ban pa hwe and yes sir. And query amount for credit Mr. Opa. So open your dialer, open the dialer and dial the USSD code *198#. So dial this code. So you have a lot of options in here. If the person hasn't yet activated this, this transfer thing, then select one to activate, and they will ask you to choose a new pin. And you choose a new pin, and after that you come back in here and select option 2. So I've already activated it. That's why I'm selecting option 2. That's the transfer. So enter the receiver in here. Enter the number that you want to receive the airtime or credit. The amount. So the amount that you want to transfer, I want to transfer 1 cedi. So I will type in 1. Enter the decimal value. At this place, no, you will enter, if maybe you want to add some pesos. Maybe if I want to add 1 cedi 10 pesos, then I will enter 10. But I want to set 1 cedi, so 00. And the pin, as I said, when you activate it, they will ask you to choose a pin. So enter your pin in here. So confirm transfer to. So in here, just enter 1 to confirm and make sure the number is the number that you are trying to send to. Yeah, so that's it. I've successfully transferred airtime from this number to another number. Yeah, so that's how simple and easy it is to transfer airtime on MTN. Yeah, Mr. Inquiry amount for credit at this rate. Yeah, Mr. Opa, amount query amount for credit. We are be a behui or query will be amount for credit, Mr. So if you love this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, like, and also give a sweet comment. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.